Peach pound cake is the ultimate summertime dessert crowd pleaser. Today, I'll be whipping it up to serve tomorrow at a summertime brunch. You'll start by adding 1¼ teaspoon of salt to 3 cups of cake flour. Whisk that all together and move on to the wet ingredients. You'll need 3 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter. Add that to a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment and mix on medium-high speed for about 1 minute. You could also use a handheld mixer in a large mixing bowl. Next, 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. This ensures the cake bakes up nice and soft and moist. Now you'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar. Slowly add it to the mixer and let it whir on medium-high speed until everybody's looking nice and fluffy. Take 4 large eggs and crack them into a small mixing bowl. Now, for some richness, 2 egg yolks. Add them right in the bowl. Bring in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and add it to the mix as well. 1/4 cup of whole milk, also going in the bowl. And now give it a nice little mixy mix. So at this point, the butter sugar mix is all fluffed up and we're just gonna slowly stream in the egg mix. Get in there with a silicone spatula and scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl. This ensures that all of your wet ingredients are evenly mixed into one another and your cake doesn't bake up all wonky like. Now let's see if we can get this flour in here without spilling it all over the counter for once. With the mixer on low, slowly add it to the wet ingredients. Scrape down the sides of the bowl one more time, get it all over your hands, and keep going. Mix one more time and bring on the peaches. This is 16 ounces of frozen peaches, thawed and drained of any excess water. I'm just chopping them into bite-sized 1/2-inch pieces. Take your chopped peaches and add them straight to the batter. Now grab yourself a lemon and a zester and grate all that lemon's zesty goodness straight into the bowl. Mix again and reach for the bundt pan. Get some butter on a paper towel and grease the bejesus out of the pan, all the crevices. Sprinkle it with a little flour, knock it around, tap out the excess flour, and bring on the batter. Smooth over the top with a silicone spatula and pop the cake in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes. Then, rotate the pan in the oven and cook for about 45 minutes more. Poke the cake with a cake tester or a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Set your beautifully baked cake on a cooling rack for about 15 minutes. Take that cooling rack, set it over your cake pan, grip the two firmly together, and flip. Tap it on the counter for good luck, release the pan, and show me your happy face. On to the icing. Get yourself 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and cream cheese, both at room temperature. Add it to the mixer and mix on medium-high speed. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, reach for 1¼ cup of powdered sugar, and add it all in. Mix again and slice into a lemon. Add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to the bowl, along with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Set the rack over a sheet of wax paper to catch those drippy icing spills and start spooning the icing all over the top of the cake. Check all the angles, leave no crevice untouched, rotate the cake as needed, and ice some more. Let the icing set, slice into it, and on the inside, you'll find moist, buttery, peachy goodness. On the outside, it's just as tempting. Before you go, be sure to check out my hand-selected list of dessert recipes that never disappoint. I'll catch you next time.